We're gonna kick off with a farro salad. We're just gonna hydrate the farro for 20 minutes. Just make sure we cover it to the top. I'm adding this soaked, hydrated farro. And again, I'm covering with water. While that's going, here's some mushroom medley. We're gonna roast these in the air fryer so that becomes kind of like a chewy texture. A little over a tablespoon of avocado over here. So I'm seasoning it. Mushrooms go in there, oven, air fryer, either way, 400 degrees. Let's make a delicious dressing. So we have some tahini paste, aromatics such as ginger, garlic chopped up. We are using a little bit of tamari, rice vinegar, some organic maple syrup. I'm gonna add these ingredients first and give it a whisk first. We're gonna highlight our nutty flavor a little bit more by adding additional sesame oil. 8 minutes in, maybe even 10 minutes in, you can see the farro start to split. These are the looks that you're looking for when it comes to cooked farro. So here's some farro that was been chilling, cooked. I'm gonna add that to a bowl. I'm gonna add the rest of the mushroom to it. Add the cucumber, I'm gonna add the carrots, and I'm gonna add the scallion. Adding some of that dressing I just made earlier. Don't have to follow exactly the recipe to the T. It's always about you knowing the technique and then you define what you want out of it. So this is our salad today.